Hi everyone, if you're just tuning in, this is the 8th video in the series in which I walk through turning this ProMaster 2500 cargo van into this four-season camper van, which has a queen bed, a shower, a toilet, a kitchen sink, a microwave, a fridge, freezer, swivel seats, and a power system with lithium batteries, shore power, solar, and van charging. We have a quick video here. I'll walk through finishing out the shower and showing you what I did with the toilet, so stay tuned. With the shower and toilet box framed and plumbing roughed in, it's now time to finish the shower. There are a few steps to this. First, I put the drain in the shower pan and put the pan in place. The way I built the shower, the plywood walls come down over the lip of the shower pan, so water running down the finished walls stays inside the pan, of course. But this also secures the pan down to the floor. The next step is to line the walls with plywood. This provides a surface to glue the shower finish material to. Step number 3, once the plywood is in place, you can put up the finished material. I used FRP, which is fiberglass reinforced plastic. It's got a pattern to it, and I think it looks pretty clean and professional when done right. Basically, you spread the FRP adhesive on the backs of each panel and put into place using a roller of some kind to press it into place. I put the side panels on first, and then the back, and then the top. I also finished out the inside of the toilet box with FRP. This is so if any water splashes in from the shower, it's waterproof. Also, when I installed the box, I installed it with a slant so the water runs back into the shower if any does get in. Next is the toilet. This is a Laveo Dry Flush toilet that I talked about before. It's pretty great. No odor, no tank to empty. It's pretty easy to deal with. I ordered a couple pieces of HDPE plastic. I used one for the base of the toilet, mounted the toilet to it, and attached a knob to that base so that there was something to grab a hold of when sliding it in and out of the shower area. The other piece of plastic I used as a door to the toilet box and added a magnetic catch and a couple of hinges as well. The result is a toilet that slides completely out of way when showering, so you have the entire room for the shower. The last thing I did was install the faucet handle and shower head. I used the black fixtures as I thought it looked nice against the white shower. I also installed a Nautilus shower door. Now this thing's pretty great as well. It squeegees itself clean when you open it or retract it. It's lightweight and it was pretty easy to install. So that's it for this video. I have links to the other build videos in the description if you would like to check those out. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching.
Yay, Vans!